Alright, I don't know what's going on. The thing's just shutting down right now. 10 after 6. I figured it was cooling itself down from overheating, but I heard it going clunk, 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 clunk like it's restarting. You hear it. It's not stinking, so I'm not sure what's going on. Oh, it's a lot of heat coming out now. The heat really picked up all of a sudden. I don't know what's going on with it. We'll see. Heat definitely went way up. Yeah, hard to tell. We'll give it a few more minutes, see what happens. Alright, I'm coming back. Okay, I remember what's going on now. We have a 1 hour time frame right there, so it's rebooting it. It's calming itself down because it's 1 hour into it. So I can't change the timer. I remember that. I did that before. So basically, you shut the thing off. They tell you never to do that also. Oh no, you can never unplug it while it's running. So we're going to give it a few seconds here to reboot itself. See it's shutting down. Come back on again. See if it will come back on. Doesn't want to come back on now. Yeah, I remember I went through this before. Like a week ago. It's supposed to reboot itself just by pushing that, but it ain't working. So it's going to do a full 100% shutdown. If I left it alone, I don't know what would have happened. What if I put this thing on manual mode? It's not going to go into manual mode. Yeah, without having an app, I can't change the timer. All of those functions are not active. No, I won't reboot. It won't reboot. Here's what I told you not to do. What do you mean it won't reboot? Oops. Hey, guess what? It rebooted. Now don't do that for long because you're going to overheat this motor in here. We just turned the fan off. It's hot in there. That should be enough to reboot. Turn that on. Fan came on because it's overheating. Yep. There we go. She's back on again. It's going to refire itself up, which means it'll start stinking again. Especially with this fan blowing high speed. Yeah, I forgot about that thing turning on. It turned off before me. Now if I let it shut down all by itself, it'll take 5 minutes probably to wind itself on down. And then you could probably come back and return it back on without cheating like I just did. Next time I'll just unplug that thing while it's still hot and plug it back in and start over again. Try to eliminate the complete reboot cycle. Yep, there's the stink coming in. Trying to avoid that part. Yeah, that's the disadvantage of this thing I got. Without having the app, you can't run more than 1 hour at a time. I'm going to do the 5-minute reset deal. It's not really stinking right now, but it did for a minute. Until you start hearing that jet motor come back on, you don't know what's going on. Starting to smell a little bit now. That's good, that means it's going back into the burner. Fuel. Oh yeah, definitely stinking now. There's some air in here, reboot it. See, it's got the red flashing over here, that means it's on a refiring cycle. Yep. So we got 6:15 right now. Be about 6:20. So 7:20. We'll go do it again. I'll let it run and see how it actually. I'll let it reboot itself and see how it does it. See what the difference is between this way and the other way. Hasn't come on yet. When these lines go all the way across, we know it's firing all the way across. Right now it's still warming up. It's cooler now than it was because the heat sink already cooled off finally. It hasn't fired yet. Yeah, this is cooled off. Not burning the piss out of me. It's hot. It ain't burning me yet. That means it has not relit off. It might be going through a whole shutdown phase. I don't know. Figure with the red exhaust it'd be coming back on at some point. Nope, it shut off. It was a complete shutdown. Air 10. I don't know what Air 10 means. Is that because somebody unplugged it? Like that? That'd be my guess. Yeah. Oh well. Last time it didn't shut completely down like this, but oh well. Live and learn. Okay, P's back. She's on again. Alright, I'll come back and let you know how long it takes to come back on fire.